can hear Roxy though. But how did she get over here?
So this is what you look like inside? Creepy. I like you better with your show on.
Yeah, I'm going.
It's the security office. Should be one of those badge head things in here. Guys, I can have a parts and service now. Oh, come on!
You got pizza too?
Huh?
You got pizza?
No, I had my chicken shit.
Great news. He can be returned to his parents.
Turns out there's no record of him.
How unfortunate. If you reattach my head, I will go look for him now.
His name is Freddy. You know how I know that? His Sasquatch kept repeating in your voice. Gregory, are you there? Gregory?
Vanessa, all the Sasquatches sound like me. It is the default voice option.
If you're part of this, you're squat. One of the roller shows up a person from the
That's just messed up, Vanessa.
Hang on for a while. I gotta find them.
Vanessa, do not leave me like this.
Looks like we're gonna repair them ourselves.
Gregory, I am so glad you are here and alive.
Freddy!
Use the console to let me out.
Welcome to Parts and Service. Please enter the protective cylinder to continue.
What'd they do to you?
Routine maintenance. I am functioning much more better now. Grammar function error. Perhaps I am still not at peak performance. Could you, reattach my head?
I don't know. It looks complicated.
Just to reconnect the wires. And be careful. I am not quite myself at the moment.
In case of an emergency, the protective cylinder will protect important service personnel outside of the protective cylinder. Deactivating animatronic safety protocols now. It is recommended that no mistakes are made during the procedure. To reconnect Freddy's head, repeat the correct sequence by pressing the flashing connectors. Good job. Now use the testing console to run diagnostics and complete the procedure. Good job. Freddy is all patched up and ready for the big show. You may now exit the protective cylinder.
No wonder whoever messed up.
There's so much tech stuff in here.
No wonder whoever is gonna mess up Freddy. No wonder they're gonna be dead because the door opens so slow.
Blaster or a Fazcam could work.
Where do I get one?
You can win a Phaser Blaster in Phaser Blast. Fazcams are often confiscated in Monte Golf, but you will need a party pass to open one of those attractions. Chica normally gives them out for birthdays. Check her green room in Rockstar Row. You may find one there. Use the service elevators at the back of the room. They go up to Rockstar Row. It looks like they are all out of order except for Roxy's.
Freddy, check out these pictures. Chica has some sort of special voice box. Roxy has new eyes. And Monty was given better claws. We have to get these. We can upgrade you.
Gregory, those parts belong to my friends. I would never do anything to hurt them.
What? All they've done online is try to hurt me. They get what they deserve.
There must be a good explanation. They are not capable of hurting a guest.
Vanny
None of us are.
is like
Go
that
against
bunny
the
lamb
ruling.
lady. Good, you're on full power. Oh, hold on real quick, Freddy.
Did you know that everyone loves pizza? Yes, it's true. Based on a double-blind study from a leading fast food publication and scientists, 100% of those questioned would choose pizza over any other food group, even people with wheat and dairy allergies. This has been another fun fast fact.
Get out of my room!
Go, 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 go. Get out, get out. Bruh. Good.
Why, you little brat. Get out, bro. Your power dies faster than the Asian bot. Than you Asian bot, bro. Get out. Bro already lost one battery.
I don't know what to tell you, bruh.